Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Apurba from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my Swift review. In a nutshell, Swift is a cloud based app that can convert any kind of blog post in a PDF, and you can upload those PDFs various forums and generate tons of free traffic. The best thing is you can change the link of these PDFs so you can exchange other links into your affiliate link and gets tons of commissions with no work yourself. This is not the end, guys. There is another option of this software where you can upload these PDFs directly in the Slideshare website. So if you're wondering what is Slideshare is an open platform where you can upload your presentation, infographics, documents and more. So here you can see these uploads are getting tons of traffics, as you can see. So I'll show you what is the monthly traffic source. Monthly traffic, here you can see more than 100 million traffic monthly this website gets. So you can understand the potential of this website, guys. So there is a option, so you can upload these PDFs directly on this website. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do it. So if you find it interesting, then please stick with me in this video, because I'm gonna walk through you all the features of the software and reveal my $5,697 bonuses, which I am gonna give you if you pick it from my link. So let's get to see the bonuses first. So this is my bonus page, guys. You can find this link in the description. Okay, so you have to go to this description and you will find the first link will be the bonus page link. Okay, so this is the bonuses. So here you can see 20 WP themes for all types of online businesses, so you can create your own website around this. Next is WP super form and pop-up plugins. These pop-ups are help you to generate more leads. Okay, next bonus is affiliate marketing kit. Here is the description of the software of this PDF. You can read it. Okay, so next one is clickbank marketing. So I'll show you how you can do clickbank marketing in a successful way. After that, Twitter traffic secret. Next one is Facebook Messenger bot marketing unlatched, Facebook ad templates, eWriter Pro. This is the ebook creator, guys. This is the ebook creator. You can create ebooks with this software. Next one is instant video creator. After that, Project Genius, Success Graphics, PLR Profit Machine, Template Showcase Builder, Web Conversion Videos, Product Creation Success Keys, First $100 Strategy, Online Coaching Business Strategy, VidRank News with Reseller Rights, videos with reseller rights. You can pause it and you can read this description. Okay, next one is reseller rights to social news pro. Next one is big traffic fire sale. So this course will show you how you can generate traffic from various social media platforms with free and paid traffic sources. Okay, next one is list building profit kit, YouTube cash, create split screen videos. Next one is flip me. So this will this with this software you can know how you can copy and paste the trick that makes it super easy for anyone to make money online by this time and tomorrow. Next one is hookum. So this software will create various hooks so that you can generate more leads and build your list very easily. Next one is magnet traffic. So you can read this description of the software. Okay, so after that, all the vendor bonuses. So I'll show you all the vendor bonuses later, but you have to click on these buttons, any of these yellow buttons, to redirect it to the sales page. So the sales page is look like this. Here you can see one click app puts any link in front of up to 110 million hungry buyers in less than a minute. Okay, so you can go through this on your time. So there is very testimonials, some testimonials are there. As you can see, there is 3 steps formula. So uh, as you can see, there is so many information there, so you can go through it with your time. I will show you the bonuses which vendor will give it to you. Okay, so let's see the vendor bonuses. So the first bonus is list building bonanza. As you can see, next one is 10x conversion booster. After that, free training session. So you get a free training from this vendor. So very successful vendor he is, Venkataramana. His name is Venkataramana. Okay, so all the bonuses you get only in $17. So the front end price is $17 of the software. I will go through the prices later. So after buying this software, you will land at this Warrior Plus thank you page. So you have to click on these blue buttons to get all the bonuses. So if you find it difficult to get the bonuses, you can message me here, mail me here. Okay, so I will give you all the bonuses after that. Let's get to see the software itself. So this is the dashboard of Swift. As you can see, this is the welcome video. Okay, next here you can see traffic campaigns, slider campaigns, content, spin, automation, submit, support, my profile, and logout. So you have to go to their traffic campaigns to create your own campaigns. Okay, let's get to here. So as you can see, create a new traffic campaign. So you have to enter any kind of blog post. So I will select a blog post here. So I want to learn affiliate marketing. Like everyone now want to learn affiliate marketing or learn how to generate money in online. So this is the great PDF for giving your customers, giving you as a hook. Okay, so you can use it. So I'll select this URL. Okay, I'll select this URL and I'll put it here, and I can create campaigns from blog, or I can create campaigns from scratch itself. Okay, so I just create it from blog. So they said me to wait. I'll wait for some time, and this software will generate a PDF from this website. You can edit this PDFs itself. So as you can see, I will delete all this. Okay, I'll delete all this. So as you can see, this is the PDF. Okay, you can change the affiliate link, any kind of link here. So as you can see, this is the link. Okay, this is the link. So I can remove the link, and I will put a link of this product, which is called 12-minute affiliate system. So if you sell one of this product, you will generate more than $150. So you have to go to this ClickBank and go to the marketplace sections, and after that you have to select a e-business and market niche, and there you will find this product, which is 12-minute affiliate system. So I will generate my affiliate link of this product. So I have to click on this promote section. So here you can see my affiliate link is ready. I'll show you. So you have to put your uh, hop link or nickname here and generate the hop link. So this is my link. As you can see, this is my affiliate link here. So I'll just copy it, and now I can put it here in the affiliate link section. So if someone click on this affiliate link, they will redirect it to this 12-minute affiliate link or sales page. If they buy this product, then I will generate $150. So it's that simple. You can change all the link of this PDF, as you can see. Okay, as you can see here, I just remove this, I just edit it, and I just put any kind of link here. Okay, okay, so after editing all the link, you have to go to this here, go to here, and you have to give a name of these campaigns. Okay, and you have to save the campaigns. Okay, so let's save it. So this thing is showing that I make maximum number of PDFs. So with the front end, you get only maybe 50 or 60 number of PDFs. So you have to upgrade the software so that you can generate more than 50 or 60 or unlimited PDFs from others blog. Okay, so as you can see, you can export it as a PDF. You can delete the campaigns. So let's suppose I just can export it as a PDF. So someone make it, I didn't make it here, someone make it. So I just export it, and I'll show you how this PDF will show. As you can see here, very simple. Someone, okay, so I'll show you some big as you can see, this is traffic for my blog. So someone create this PDF, so I just export it and I'll show you how this PDF will look, and I'll show you the links if it's work or not. So as you can see guys, this is the PDF of any kind of website. So this is the link. As you can see, these links are operating very smoothly. Okay, so you can create these kinds of PDF with this software. So next here is a slider campaigns. So with this slider campaigns, the same process is the same. As you can see, any kind of link you have to put it here. So I'll just show you some little bit, so you can reach the maximum numbers of slides. So as I say that this is the front end product, so there is a limitation of creating any kind of PDF. So you have to upgrade your software to create unlimited PDFs. So I'll show you one. Here you can see you have get a editor. You can export it as a PDF, and you can directly upload this PDFs on SlideShare and generate tons of free buyer traffic. Okay, so on your blog or on your landing page, any kind of product. Okay, so this is it guys, very simple and very effective software to create more than free traffic from others people blog or others people landing page, any kind of information. Okay, this is automation guys. This is the upgrade version of the software. So let's see the prices of the software. I'll show you. The front end price is only $17. Here you can see the front end price is only $17. So if you pick a front end product from my link, you will get all the bonuses. Okay, so next one is a Shift Unlimited, which is OTO1, which is $39. So as you can see, experience Swift without limit, create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capability on everything inside your account. Next one is Swift Limitless Traffic, which is price is $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. Next one is Slift Down for You, which is $197, which is not recommended at all. Next one is Swift Sleep Technology, which price is $39. Make money online is great, but you know what is better? Making money while you sleep. So these upgrades allows you to fully automate Swift, so you can start receiving traffic on autopilot even while you snooze. Next one is Swift monetizations, which is price is $197. Next one is Swift reseller, which is $197. So with this upgrade you can sell the product and generate 100% commission on your pocket. Next here you can see 100 days money back guarantee, so you can try it for 100 days, and if you find it not work which you think, then you can refund it. Okay, so I will help you to refund it if you find it not interesting. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it. And please go check out the link in the description. The first link will be the bonus page link. Okay, you have to go to the here and you can click it here. All the bonuses will be yours if you pick only front end. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye bye.